funded and focused feature. Women, this is your moment to get funded and focused. Your credit tells a story, one that can either limit you or push you forward. When you understand that story, you gain the clarity to pursue bigger goals, take smarter risks, and position yourself for real financial growth. A credit readiness snapshot gives you exactly what you need to move with certainty. It's a clear breakdown of your current credit standing, and it offers guidance on what needs attention and why it matters. It offers practical steps to strengthen your financial profile, and it also offers a strategy to position yourself for loans, grants, and business fundings. And this also gives you confidence to make decisions rooted in knowledge, not fear. So many women carry dreams that never grow because they feel uncertain about their financial picture. But once you see where you stand, something powerful happens. You begin to move, you begin to plan, you begin to expect more. And that expectation shifts everything. You deserve access to opportunity. You deserve capital that supports your goals. You deserve a financial path that matches your ambition. Getting funded isn't luck, it's preparation, it's clarity, it's readiness. If you are determined to strengthen your financial position and step boldly towards your goals, this is the step that sets the tone for everything that comes next. So let's get you funded, let's get you focused, and let's get you moving toward the life and business you know you're meant to build.